Imagine a life where you're free to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply spend more time with loved ones, all without worrying about a paycheck. Sounds incredible, right? That's the promise of FIRE, financial independence, and retire early. In this video, we'll break down what FIRE is, why it's gaining popularity, and most importantly, how you can achieve it. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is FIRE? FIRE is a financial movement centered around saving aggressively and investing smartly to achieve financial independence. The ultimate goal is to retire early or have the freedom to work on your own terms. Essentially, it's about creating a life where your money works for you, rather than the other way around. The idea is simple. Save enough money so that the returns from your investments can cover your living expenses indefinitely. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? But here's the thing. FIRE isn't one size fits all. There are several paths to FIRE, depending on your goals and lifestyle. Let's break them down. This is for people who are willing to live a minimalist lifestyle to achieve financial independence faster. For those who want financial freedom, but with a more luxurious lifestyle. A hybrid approach where you achieve partial financial independence and work part-time to cover extra expenses or get benefits. Which one sounds like your style? Drop a comment below and let me know. All right, let's get into the actionable stuff. Here are 5 steps to help you achieve FIRE. Set your FIRE number. This is the amount you need to save to reach financial independence. A common rule is to multiply your annual expenses by 25. For example, if you spend $40,000 annually, your FIRE number is $1 million. Track and reduce expenses. The less you spend, the faster you can save. Start by tracking your expenses and identifying areas to cut back. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook more meals at home, and prioritize needs over wants. Save aggressively. Aim to save 50 to 70% of your income. Yes, it's ambitious, but it's the cornerstone of FIRE. Redirect bonuses, raises, or side hustle income straight into savings. Invest wisely. Your savings need to grow, and that's where investing comes in. Focus on low-cost index funds, real estate, or other growth assets. Remember, the earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. Create multiple income streams. Diversify your income through side hustles, freelancing, or passive income streams. This can significantly accelerate your journey to FIRE. Now let's talk about the challenges. Achieving FIRE isn't easy. It requires discipline, sacrifice, and a long-term mindset. And no, it's not just for high-income earners. Anyone can apply FIRE principles. It's about living below your means and staying consistent. But the rewards? Totally worth it. FIRE allows you to design your life, focus on what matters most, and wake up daily with purpose. It's not just about retiring early, it's about achieving financial peace of mind. So, are you ready to start your FIRE journey?